Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates instantly.
Hello children, welcome back. So where are we now? हम कहाँ हैं? We are in the court of Dionysius. This is King Dionysius sitting on his throne. So let me ask you one question. तो एक सवाल के साथ हम आज का सबक शुरू करेंगे. So what was the condition of King Dionysius? King Dionysius to send Pythias to fulfill his wish. Okay. किंग डायोनाइशियस की कंडीशन क्या थी? ओके ओके, वेरी गुड, दैट्स इट. So now I will read the lesson. You just listen and follow me. Okay. So Theseus was granted his lost wish. He went home, completed his work, and hurried back to Syracuse. He had to face many dangers, and so he was delayed. On the fixed day, Pythias had not returned. As a result, Demon was taken to be hanged. In the court of King Dionysius, Dionysius is on the throne. Demon's hands are tied behind. Soldiers are on his either side. King Dionysius, where is your friend now, Demon? He has left you here to die. I am certain that he will not return. You are a fool to be here in his place. Demon, you are mistaken. I know that Pythias will keep his promise. He will be back in time. Even if he does not come back, I will be happy to die in his place as I love him dearly. Pythias enters the court hall running, gasping for breath. Demon embraces Pythias and weeps. Pythias, I have come. Please do not kill Demon. I have come back to take the punishment. Please hang me. Demon, no, please hang me. If he were to be late, then I would have been hanged. So I am to be punished. Both of them argued for some time. At last, King Dionysius, never in my life have I seen such friendship. Both of you have kept your promises. I am happy to know that such friendship exists. I set you both free on the condition set forth by the king Dionysius. Dionysius की condition पे Pythias was granted his last wish. What was his last wish? His last wish was to see his old mother, to see his old mother and arrange for his sister's marriage. To arrange his sister's. Pythias had a sister, he had to arrange for her marriage. Pythias की लास्ट विश जो थी अपनी ओल्ड मदर को से मुलाकात करना, अलविदा कहना और एंड टू अरेंज हिज सिस्टर्स, बहन की शादी, इसकी बहन की शादी के जो है जिम्मेदारी उठाना था. Pythias went home and completed his work and hurried back to Syracuse. He had to face many dangers while coming. बहुत सारे खतरों का सामना करना पड़ा वापसी के दौरान, एंड thus he was delayed, और देरी हो गई। On the fixed day, PTS had not returned. जिस दिन का वादा था उस दिन PTS रिटर्न नहीं हो पाया। As a result, Demon was taken to be hanged in the court of Dionysius. Dionysius is on his throne. He is on his throne. You can see here, he is sitting on his throne. Demon hands are tied behind. Demon's hands are tied behind. Soldiers are on his either side. Soldiers, sipahi, are on either side, both side, right side and left side. Both side soldiers, you can see here in picture. King Dionysius says, "Where is your friend now, demon?" तुम्हारा दोस्त कहाँ है, demon? He has left you here to die. He who, Pythias, has left you here to die. Pythias तुम्हें यहाँ पे मरने के लिए छोड़ गया। I am certain that he will not return. मुझे यकीन है कि वो वापस नहीं आएगा, वो रिटर्न नहीं होगा। You are a fool to be here in his place. तुम एक फूल हो, बेवकूफ हो, to be here in his place, says Dionysius. Demon says, you are mistaken. आपकी गलत फहमी है। I know that Pythias will keep his promise. मुझे पता है कि Pythias अपना वादा, अपना प्रॉमिस निभाएगा। Pythias will keep his promise. He will be back in time. He will be back in time. Even if he does not return, even if he does not return, I will be happy to die in his place because I love him dearly. Who, demon, loves Pythias dearly, very much. He loved. Why? Because they were true friends. Like you have true friends, they were true friends. Pythias enters the court hall running, gasping for breath. Demon embraces Pythias and weeps. Demon embraces, गले लगता है, and weeps. Pythias says, Pythias कहता है, I have come. Please do not kill demon. Do not kill demon. I have come back. I have returned to take the punishment. Please hang me. Who says Pythias? I have returned. I have returned to take the punishment. Please hang me, says Pythias. Now, demon says, no, please hang me. Demon is saying, no, please hang me. If he were to be late, if he were to be late, अगर वो late होता, I would have been hanged. I means demon would have been hanged. So I am to be punished. मुझे सजा देनी चाहिए. Who says this? Demon. Both demon and Pythias argue. Hang me, hang me. Give me punishment, give me punishment. They want punishment each other. Pythias says, मुझे मुझे सजा दीजिए. Demon says, no, 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 no. He is late. Give me punishment. Right? Pythias says, no, 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 no. I am back. I have come. I have returned. Please punish me. Hang me. Demon says, no, he is late. Please hang me. Please hang me. Now King Dionysius says, never in my life have I seen such a friendship. मेरी पूरी जिंदगी में मैंने ऐसी सच्ची दोस्ती नहीं देखी. True friendship. Both of you, Demon and Pythias, have kept your promises. You have kept your promises. I am happy. I am happy. Happy. I am happy to know that such a friendship exists. ऐसी friendship है आज भी. Who says this? Dionysius. I set you both free. What King Dionysius did, He set both Pythias and Demon free. You are Azad now. Who? Demon and Pythias. Because of their true friendships. Okay, children, that's the lesson. Hope you also have true friends. इतना ही सबक है. उम्मीद है कि आपके भी ऐसे सच्चे दोस्त हैं और आप खुद भी एक ऐसे सच्चे दोस्त हैं. जो भी होमवर्क व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में दिया जा रहा है, do it. Okay, see you in the next class, and please share this video to other students as well. Thank you. Bye.